Welcome, wood lovers. Today we are stepping into a lineup of fresh, game-changing woodworking tools designed to elevate every project you touch. These upgrades deliver cleaner cuts, smoother finishes, and real precision that removes the guesswork. No more slip-ups, no more wasted boards, just pure woodworking confidence. Let's dive in and level up your craft. JessEm Clear Cut STS Guides. Your table saw just placed a call. It wants an upgrade. Meet JessEm's Clear Cut STS Guides, part bodyguard and part precision artist. They grip your stock with total authority, fight kickback like seasoned pros, and fit almost any saw you put them on. Stainless steel guts, flawless motion, and unmatched control. This is the smartest guide your wood has ever worked with. Dremel 3100 Tool. Meet your new workshop hero, the Dremel 3100 at $60. Stronger, cooler, and more efficient than ever, with 5 adjustable speeds blasting up to 35,000 RPM. This compact beast cuts, sands, polishes, and engraves with the confidence of a pro tool. Grip it once, and you'll question whether this is a power tool or your new secret weapon. MicroJig blade and bit cleaner. Think your blade is dull? Not likely. It's probably just filthy. MicroJig's blade and bit cleaner scrubs saw blades and bits so fast your shop vac might get jealous. No harsh chemicals, no scraped knuckles, no drama. Just a magnetic handle, a tough scrubbing pad, and a whole lot of clean. Dirty blades beware. It's spa day, and you're the technician. VO 30 Pieces Pocket Hole Jig Kit. Wobbly holes are officially a thing of the past. The VO 30-piece pocket hole jig kit gives you drilling precision so clean that even your mistakes start looking professional. For $28, you get solid aluminum construction, adjustable depth settings, chip-free operation, and a full set of accessories that will make your toolbox blush. Your DIY projects just went from doubtful to impressive. Woodpeckers Folding Saddle Squares. Corners, brace yourselves. Woodpeckers folding saddle squares are coming to straighten your angles. Wrap lines like a pro with no guesswork and zero wiggle. Whether you need 90 degrees, 45, or something in between, this aluminum masterpiece marks both faces in one smooth motion. Machined in the USA, built to perfection, because your joinery deserves accuracy without the accidental surprises. RIDGID Gen 5X 18-volt circular saw. Slice through wood like a seasoned pro with the RIDGID Gen 5X circular saw at $60. Brushless, cordless, and 35% faster than the previous model. It hits 5,400 RPM, handles bevels up to 56 degrees, and stops instantly with an electronic blade brake. Vacuum ready, durable, and built to work. Your projects just found their new best friend. UYUS Tools Forstner Bits. Need a clean 35mm hole? Do not improvise. The UYUS Forstner bit is built for woodworkers who demand precision and refuse splintered edges. Tough, sharp, and long-lasting, this bit cuts cleaner than dull patience ever will. Ideal for wood, perfect for keeping your sanity intact. Drill with intention and expect crisp results every time. EzArc saw blades and oscillating blades. Dull blades stopping your progress? Not anymore. EzArc saw blades slice through wood, metal, and even nails like they barely exist. Bimetal, fast cutting, and built for serious demolition, these $12 heroes fit most saws and make teardowns feel effortless. If you want to cut your frustration in half, grab EzArc and get moving. Infinity Tools Fluting Jig Master. Say goodbye to wobbly grooves and DIY regrets. The Infinity Fluting Jig Master turns your router into a flute cutting specialist on straight or arched stock. Fast setup, dead center accuracy, and smooth operation every time. It includes bits, bearings, and all the bragging rights you'll need. Just mount, align, and carve flutes like a legend. Even your wood grain will be impressed. Inco 4-piece bevel edge wood chisel set. Carve like a pro without burning your budget. The Inco 4-piece bevel edge chisel set at $13 features drop forged CRV steel that stays sharp and smooth beechwood handles for comfort. With sizes from 1/4 inch to 1 inch, every woodworking task is covered. Ready to use, durable, and built for serious craftsmanship. Milescraft 4016 Bench Lock Clamps. Clamps everywhere except where you need them. Bench Lock fixes that. This $10 clamp locks anywhere on your bench instantly. No tools, no hassle. Twist, lock, and clamp like you've been doing it for decades. With a full 360-degree rotation, your grip game will never be the same. Clamp Happy is officially back. Height Gauge Set. Woodworkers, say hello to your new $49 cheat code. This 15-piece precision aluminum setup block kit lets you measure faster than your tape measure can even unroll. Stack them, mix them, match them, and get hundreds of measurements with 0.001-inch accuracy. Lightweight, tough, perfectly organized, and ready to sharpen up your accuracy in seconds. Precision Mitre Trimmer from Infinity Tools. Cutting angles by eye. Bold choice. The Infinity Precision MicroJig brings order back to your miter saw. No guesswork, no redo pile. Built tough, adjusted fast, and hitting perfect angles like it has something to prove. Whether you're building cabinets or crown molding, this jig is your shortcut to pro-level accuracy without the pro-level headaches. Oscillating LCD Edge Banding Iron. Edge banding giving you attitude. Not anymore. The Oscillating Edge Banding Iron lets you tame tough corners with precise LCD temperature control and tips made for tight spots. A cotton sock protects the surface while you work. Your edges come out clean, smooth, and professional every time. Even your iron gets a little pampering along the way. Vaughn 15-inch Super Bar. Meet the $15 muscle upgrade your toolbox didn't know it needed. Vaughn's 15-inch Super Bar with its classic shepherd's crook rocker head pries, scrapes, and pulls nails like they owe it money. Forged spring steel, polished blades, and 3 nail slots deliver serious leverage. Warning, you may suddenly feel the urge to fix everything in sight. Festool BS 75 Belt Sander. Tired of feeling like you ran a marathon after sanding? The Festool BS 75 has your back. With a perfectly balanced motor and impressive cutting power, it smooths flat surfaces and veneers without wearing down your arms. It's strong, reliable, and engineered for long sanding sessions without the struggle. Wolfcraft Depth Stop Set. Say goodbye to planing marks and hello to clean, controlled drilling. The Wolfcraft Depth Stop Set takes the guesswork out of drilling. Attach the stop, set your depth, and drill with total confidence. No more over-drilling or wasted material. Just precise, consistent holes every single time. Simple, accurate, and foolproof. Milescraft 8403 Laminate Trimmer. Your laminate's biggest threat just showed up, and it costs only $6. The Milescraft Laminate Trimmer fits perfectly in hand and trims with absolute confidence. Straight edges, rounded corners, no fuss. A standard razor blade gives you clean cuts on veneer, edge banding, or laminate without a hint of drama. At this price, your morning coffee probably costs more. Oscillating Dowel Maker and Tenon Cutters. Create perfect dowels and tenons with the Oscillating Dowel Maker. Designed for half-inch square stock in softwood or hardwood, and equipped with 8 and 10 mm cutter heads. You can fine-tune sizes with quick sanding. Carbon steel blades last long and sharpen easily, while the heat-resistant base keeps your hands protected. Milescraft Compact Router Subbase. Router lovers, you just found your new $20 sidekick. The Milescraft Compact Router Subbase fits almost every trim and compact router on the market. It spins a full 360 degrees for total control and includes mortise pins for precise cutting. Universal mounting makes setup quick and frustration-free. Your project's just got a clean upgrade in accuracy and comfort. Syntech Quick Click Dust Collection Separator. Say goodbye to clogged filters and worn-out vacuums. The Syntech Quick Click Separator keeps dust, debris, and liquids out of your vacuum before they cause trouble. It works with most shop vacs and maintains airflow like a dream. Cleaner filters, longer vacuum life, and zero duct tape solutions. Dust cleanup just got smarter. DeWalt Cordless Screwdriver. Stop fumbling with manual screwdrivers. The DeWalt Flex Drive cordless screwdriver at $75 brings full control with its 360-degree slide-to-drive system. 6 torque settings and up to 680 screws per charge make assembly feel effortless. Compact, powerful, and equipped with USB-C. DIY jobs just got faster and way smoother. Dust Deputy 2.5 Cyclone Separator. Filters choking on dust? Give them a break with the Dust Deputy 2.5. This Cyclone system removes up to 99% of debris before it hits your vacuum. Twice the airflow, no fuss, and no awkward adapters needed. Made in the USA and trusted by dust warriors everywhere. Keep your vacuum happy and your workspace cleaner. Leigh Bush C-Joints. Achieve flawless dovetail joints with Leigh Bush templates for the D-Series jigs. Designed for the D4RM, these CNC machined aluminum templates include imperial and metric scales and fully adjustable joint tightness using the VGS system. They mount easily on all 24-inch D-Series jigs, bringing professional dovetails within reach of every woodworker. Woodpeckers Pini Pocket Rule. Measure twice, cut once, and never guess again. The Pini Pocket Rule brings precision right to your fingertips. Flip scales, lockable stops, and accurate marking on aluminum or stainless steel. Inches, metric, or both. Compact, durable, and ready for daily use. Your measuring game just stepped into the big leagues. Trend Belfast Sync Jig. The Trend Belfast Sync Jig delivers fast, precise routing with dual-sided gauges and a smart offset alignment device. It fits sync recesses from 340 to 500 millimeters deep and supports sinks up to 1,000 millimeters wide. A single 30mm guide bush handles both sync cuts and drip grooves. Clean, professional results without the stress. Welkome Pro Mask. Spray painters, meet your new must-have companion. The Welkome Pro Mask delivers quieter performance, a better fit, and effortless maintenance with just one main filter. It protects against fumes, gases, vapors, smoke, and dust, and is certified for top-tier safety. Work smarter, breathe safer, and stay unstoppable on every project. Olympia Tools Wood Workbench. Tired of shaky tables and chaotic benches? The Olympia Wood Workbench is here to restore order. Built from sturdy acacia wood with plenty of storage and a fast setup, it's like giving your workshop a reliable new partner. Solid, organized, and ready for action. Your next project finally gets the stable foundation it deserves. Makita Cordless Pruning Shears. Garden Chaos, meet your match. The Makita Cordless Pruning Shears at $80 slice through branches up to 2.4 inches thick like they're nothing. Titanium SK5 blades, a powerful 26,000 RPM brushless motor, compatibility with Makita LXD batteries, an LCD screen, and a safety lock. Pruning just went from painful to powerful. Milwaukee MX Fuel 70 kg Ram Kit. Prepare yourself. The Milwaukee MX Fuel 70 kg Ram just arrived, and it does not play around. Powered by a brushless power state motor with 0 emissions, push-button start, and up to 25 minutes of non-stop compaction. This machine hits hard, moves fast, and gives you full command with one key tracking and tip detect. Heavy-duty work just crossed into a whole new league. Thanks for watching, Wood Warriors. If these tools got your sawdust buzzing, hit like and subscribe for more woodworking wizardry. Remember, measure twice, laugh once, and keep your projects knot free. See you in the next one.